So guys, you want to make money with crypto and you see all these videos about day trading and how you can make a good amount of money, and I've already pretty much made a good amount of money day trading. Started my journey about a few months ago, shared multiple videos about it, and I ran up my account, guys, to around $2,000 before I started to pull out and started to make smaller plays, then made mistakes. And today I want to walk you guys through my journey and start a challenge with anybody that wants to get started with crypto day trading. Overall, guys, if you're new to my channel, go to check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin, altcoins, how liquidity is shifting, and everything you need to be aware of. Right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, but while all that's going on, you can be longing and shorting the market to make a good amount of money. This is how people print money on the daily in the crypto markets. And I know if you are watching this video, you want to be able to make some money and you still work a 9-to-5, have a normal life, but you want to be able to make some side income. And while I'm at my job, guys, I started a trade today with a smaller position because it's going to be a challenge. I started at around $45 and the position wasn't looking too hot, but I have a strong validation as to where the market is heading right now. And I was, longing the market based off of exactly the sentiment we've been seeing these past few days, all the pumps, all the green in the market, and pretty much some price zones that we have been seeing around a few assets. Well, the position, guys, was down quite significantly early in the morning, and then right before I started shooting this video, I was up around 15-20%, and this is where I closed the position, made around $10 because it is a small position. Of course, I know a lot of y'all want to make $100 a day, $1,000 a day, but it all starts somewhere, and I want to be completely real with you. If you want to make that money, guys, you have to have an understanding on price action, TA, exactly the news sentiment in the markets when the markets open, and exactly how everything is affected. If you aren't aware of all this stuff, then you are going to jump in and get shreked. But I challenge you guys to start your journey and get everything initiated so that you can start making some money and start printing some money. Overall, guys, I showed you guys multiple videos on pretty much the start of my progression with day trading, my transactions, the leverage, and exactly, how to navigate everything. And right now, I pretty much want to keep on documenting, starting with $50, running up all the way to around $500 to $1,000 within this week to next week, just to show you guys what is possible. If you guys are getting started with day trading, sign up with my affiliate code. You guys can go in, sign up, deposit around $100, and you can get around anywhere from $80 to $100 to $200 in rewards, pretty much from verifying your email, your phone number, and your ID, and a few other different things, guys. So you can make some good money with some free money, but it all starts with your journey, guys, and initiating that process, longing and shorting the market based off of the sentiment in the space, the TA, technical analysis that we're seeing around specific assets, and how altcoins are affected. This is where you can play with crazy leverage, 20x leverage, 100x leverage, or even little leverage to make a good amount of money, but play with more money than what you have. So I challenge you guys, this is just going to be the start of this video. I'm going to be day trading throughout today to show you guys exactly what's possible, the wins and the losses. So stay tuned, and hopefully I catch you guys in the next part of this video. Sign up with that code, sign up. All right, I got to get back into work and put in some more trades. Catch you then. Now it's my lunchtime, guys. Overall, right now, guys, I haven't made too much trades after the one you had just saw. I made around $10, which is around 10 to 20% of what I was originally holding. And it all starts off small, guys. Of course, if you have larger positions, you can make way more money. On that position that you saw, I made around 17 to 20%. $100, it would be a $20 gain, and so on and so forth. $200, $40 gain. And the more money you have, the more money you can make. But I understand that everyone that's getting started with day trading doesn't have that much money. I want to be real with everybody, and I understand that a lot of these people, you're looking at strategies, they're playing with $200, $300, $400 a day, potentially even more. That is a ton of money for the average investor. Now me, I could play with more money than what you're seeing, but I want to show you guys what is possible with a small amount of money. And figuring out your trading strategy is going to be super key, guys. Everyone trades differently. Some people will choose to follow indicators, some people follow trend lines, some people follow patterns, some people mix a variety of all these different things. But that's whenever it can start to get super complicated, because if you start to intertwine different perspectives and understandings on the market and sentiment, then you can really get caught lacking, and you might be longing and really you should be shorting, and vice versa as well. So right now, today's video is a challenge to get you started with leverage trading and overall, as well as day trading, to pretty much show you how you can print money on a day-to-day basis. choices, whether we are longing the market or shorting the market. Right now, after getting out of that position, right now SPX is the position that SPS 6900 is the asset that I'm trading, a meme coin, guys. And as a result, this coin is super volatile. So whenever we see deviations, we see crazy deviations and also super crazy rip ups as well. And this is where you can potentially make a crazy amount of money, even with a small amount of money, if you position yourself correctly. And I'll keep you guys updated on my positions and exactly what's going on. This is going to be a challenge starting with around $40-50 and running it up to $500 to $1,000 by the end of this week, starting next week. Overall though, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action on Bitcoin, altcoins, how liquidity is shifting, and also new ventures like day trading and how you can get started. Guys, do not get greedy. You can make a good amount of money, but you can also lose a good amount of money. And you know, this is all about testing the waters. Like how I said, open your new account with my code, my affiliate link. You can overall get some free money, around $80 to $200 in free money, and start playing around with a few different positions. Look up the assets that you want to trade, and from there you can actually start to get everything initiated. Any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below. I'm trying to get monetized, and we're getting closer on this YouTube channel, so I hope you guys are staying tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys updated with everything that's going on, when altcoin season is going to be happening, when liquidity is shifting, and everything you need to be aware of, as well as more of my trading strategy and my crypto portfolio. But overall, guys, let me know what you guys think and exactly what's going on. Peace.